Hi, this is a short video about the Snooper DVR-WF1 HD dashcam with Wi-Fi. So the packaging has information on the bottom, specification on the side, a little bit more information around as well. Key piece of information, the serial number is at the bottom and on the unit for registering the product for warranty and for any updates. Opening the package, user manual, which also has a QR code which allows you to download the mobile app for the Wi-Fi connectivity, power supply, cigarette lighter with the mini USB end to go in the device, USB lead for any downloads, an adhesive GPS mount for the windscreen with a jack plug, and finally the camera itself. Power supply and GPS go on one side, power button and an 8GB card is included in the device. You can swap that out and that's placed in the side. The camera is fully rotational to get the ideal angle for your vehicle, and the bracket can be slid off, so this can be stuck to the windscreen permanently and the camera can be removed should you wish it. Full details of the product can be found at snooper.co.uk, and registration and any downloads are at snooperneo.co.uk. That's the Snooper DVR-WF1. Thank you.